Okay, I'm going to try to do a quick, hopefully paintless dent repair for you. There's a high spot right here. And the first thing we're going to do is heat the area with just a regular heat gun. That's a $5 one I got at the swap meet. The biggest reason you want to do this is so the paint don't crack, but if we're lucky it might also take it out. So just heat the area up. Try and watch it, see if anything happens. I can see it's disappeared. It might still be a little bit. You don't want to burn the paint, but you want to get it as high as you can. I'll turn it off. Yeah, probably not hot enough. That's a good temperature, but it hasn't gone away. Let me make sure I got enough heat in it, and I'll show you the next step. You gotta make sure you got a good body hammer that's been polished so you don't put a mark in it, and you'll see what happens. Because all you're wanting to do is give it a little slap. Now I'll have to get a rag and wipe that. It's kind of good. We'll heat it and see what happens. Let's give it a wipe and see how it looks. It needs a little bit more. Right about there. Add a little more heat. I'm happy with that. It's a lot less than it was. It's not 100% perfect, but to most of the untrained eye, they're not going to see it. So see ya.